Is myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So students, in last week we have completed our third chapter. In that chapter we have learned some precautions to be taken care while using mouse and keyboard. I hope you all have understood. So today we are going to start with our fourth chapter, Introduction to Microsoft Paint, on page number 18. In this chapter, we are going to learn some one most interesting computer software which help us to make beautiful drawings. So let's start with the chapter. Do you remember we use the Notepad application to type? So we use Notepad application for typing letters, numbers. Microsoft Paint, MS Paint is a computer program which is used to make a beautiful drawings and create images. So in earlier we have learned about Notepad. In this chapter we are going to learn about MS Paint, that is Microsoft Paint, which help us to make beautiful drawings and create images. So let us learn the steps to start MS Paint. So now remember this following steps how to open MS Paint. For first thing you need to click on Start. You all know on monitor we have Start button on left side of window. Then All Programs, Accessories, then Paint. This is the path to start MS Paint. The MS Paint window appears with a blank file as shown in figure 4.2. After doing this process, after following this path, you will see on your monitor this window as a blank window for drawing. Understood? So now we are going to let's learn what are the paths is there on MS window. The MS Paint window provides you with the many options to draw and paint picture. Let's have a look at different parts of the MS Paint window. So we have many options available in MS Paint to draw and to paint a picture. So let's learn the parts of MS window. You can see in this figure 4.2 on page number 19, students, they have shown us a figure or a window of MS Paint. Here it is a title bar, then it is tools. In this tools we have pencil, eraser, color bucket, then it is brush over here, then we have a several number of shapes. It's a color, many colors are available here, and this whole thing is called as a ribbon. Here it is a blank page is a drawing area, and next on the bottom it is status bar. So let's learn these parts in detail. The MS Paint window consists of title bar. It displays the name of the paint file. It's on the top of the window. It's a title bar. It shows us the paint file name. Next is ribbon. It provides us with the various commands to perform a task. Whatever we use in the MS Paint, everything is available on the ribbon only. You can see shapes are here, colors are here, tools are here. So ribbon is very important. Okay. Tools group. It consists of a number of tools such as pencil, brush, eraser, etc. to draw and paint. You can see here we have pencil, eraser, brush, then color bucket, text box. Many tools are available here for drawing or painting. Next is shapes group. It consists of shapes such as rectangles, circles, etc. to add various shapes into the picture. So when you want to use and pictures into your drawing, you can select these pictures from the shape group. You can see here many shapes are available over here. Next is drawing area. It is like the drawing paper on which we draw and paint. This blank paper is drawing area. It seems like your drawing paper. Status bar. It offers information and can be of help when we work. It gives us a information when we are working on this window. So what are the parts of MS window? Title bar, ribbon, tools group, shapes group, color groups, drawing area, status bar. Now turn your page on page number 20. So which are the tabs are available on ribbon? The ribbon contains the following tabs. First is file, home and view. So here they have shown us in figure 4.3 file tab. You can see here many options are there. If you want to open new file, then new. If you want to open an existing file जो हमने पहले से सेव करके रखी है, then open. If you want to save this file, then you can use save or save as. Then if you want to take a printout of your drawing, you can take a printout as well. Then they have shown us a home tab. In this home tab, whatever we have learned in the parts of computer, that ribbon, what was the ribbon was having tools, brush, then shapes group, colors, all the things, important things that you can use while drawing, all are there in the home tab. Next we have view tab. Here you can zoom your picture or you can make a full screen of your drawing. So these are the three tabs available in MS Paint: file, home and view tab. When we open MS Paint, the home tab appears. To see any other tab, click on that particular tab. When we open the MS Paint, you can see here we learn about the process how to open. Then when you open the home MS Paint, you can see here already a home tab appears. Okay, if you want to see the view tab, you need to click over here, and if you want to open the file tab, you need to click over here. Okay, so when you open MS Paint, automatically home tab appears on the screen. Table 1.1 lists some of the commands available for use in the various tabs of the ribbon. Here they have shown us a table which consists what is the use of each tabs. Okay. First is file tab. That I told you, in file tab we have several options, several commands. That is, you can create, open, save or preview, print or send a particular document. It also contains command to exit the application. In addition, it displays the list recently opened documents as well as the properties of the images. So if you have some recent documents or recent pictures, images, it shows you. And if you want to create a new picture or drawing, you can do that. If you want to open an existing, you can also do that. Home tab I have already explained. In this home tabs we have color group, shape group, tools group. With the help of this home tab only we can do the drawing. Next, in view tab we have an option to zoom in or zoom out or take a full screen of your drawing. So which are the tabs available in MS Paint? First is file tab, home tab and view tab. Total 3 tabs are there in the MS Paint. So now let's proceed further to our next point, that is drawing basic shapes. Now how to draw basic shapes in MS Paint. Once you have started MS Paint, you can draw shapes such as rectangles, circles, squares, triangle, etc. using the different shape tools of MS Paint as shown in figure 4.6. You can use any shape available in shapes group. You can use rectangles, circles, square, triangles. You can use any shapes for drawing. Turn your page on 22. Let us draw a square, rectangle and circle. To do so, Click on the rectangle tool. You can see here they have shown us rectangle. The mouse pointer changes to a dotted plus sign. When you are using a mouse in MS Paint, your mouse pointer is in a arrow shape, right? But when you took your mouse pointer on this rectangle shape, your mouse pointer will be changed into a plus sign. Okay. Click on the drawing area and drag the mouse pointer diagonally to draw a rectangle. Then you need to drag this rectangle and then you need to drag your mouse as well. You need to drag this rectangle on your drawing area and then you have to drag your mouse to change the size of your rectangle if you want to make it bigger or smaller. Release the mouse once done. If you are done with your rectangle, you need to release your mouse. To draw a square, select the rectangle tool, press, hold the shift key on the keyboard while dragging the mouse pointer diagonally on the drawing area. Now if you want to draw a square, then you have to select the rectangle tool and you need to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard and you need to drag the mouse pointer in your drawing area. So this is how you need to use this following steps to draw shapes into MS Paint. Next we are having to draw a circle. You need to. If you want to draw a circle, how you will draw? Click on the oval shape. This shape is available in the shape group. The mouse pointer changes into a dotted plus sign. Again this sign will be appear instead of the arrow. Click on the drawing area and drag the mouse pointer to draw an oval shape. Same as we have learned in the while doing an rectangle shapes in MS Paint. Same you have to click on this drawing area and drag the mouse pointer to draw an oval shape into a drawing area. To draw a circle, select the oval tool, press and hold the shift key on the keyboard while dragging the mouse pointer. Again you need to, it's an oval shape. If you want to draw a circle, you need to press and hold the shift key on the keyboard and then you need to drag your mouse pointer. You can see they have shown us figure 4.7 on page number 22. Here rectangle, then square, it is circle and it's oval. Okay. Now let's proceed further toward page number 23. Do you remember we learned the mouse skill dragging in class 1? That we have learned how to drag the mouse. Okay. To drag, press and hold the right mouse button and move the mouse, release the mouse once done. So when you are dragging the mouse, you need to press and hold the right mouse button and then you need to move your mouse according how much size you want for the shape. And then you are done with the shapes, then you need to release your mouse button. So students, today we have learned how to open MS Paint and which are the parts available in MS Paint window. Then we have learned which are the tabs available in MS Paint and how to draw basic shapes in MS Paint. That we have learned how to draw a rectangle and square and circle and oval. I hope you all have understood. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can call me or message me. And kindly revise all the topics which we covered today. In next lecture, we are going to learn how to save a file and opening a file and existing MS Paint. This topic we will cover in the next week. Thank you.